Hey Greg, real quick, wanted to show you how to handle some stuff regarding social posting. We're in the Glenview location and let's just go find a good review. So here's David Ludwin from today. And first off, y'all want to go in and respond to your reviews. You can do that. But let's show how to do a social post. The first thing you want to do is go in and authorize your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter if you have it. We'll see here. You can preview for Twitter, Instagram, anything like that. It'll show you what it's going to look like, and then you can also change the text size. And then what y'all will want to do is go in and add some customization with a nice picture. This is default, then there's that. It's going to go a little slow just because I'm filming. There's this default, which y'all don't want to use, but go in and make your own. So what you would do here is go theme, and then you can upload an image and then change the background color. Let's just make one up here. And then you can see overlay will be light or it'll be dark. You can do that. You can make the text size large, change the text color, and then save that theme. And then it'll show up as an option for you when you're wanting to create some content. The other thing, and so this is in that one that we just made. You'll make a nicer one, or your digital guy will. And then while I think Google can read this text at this point, this is the one that we're really want them to read. It'll show up in your posts, especially in your Google posts, but also Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. We love taking care of, let's just do this. With paint, get your keywords in here. At which point you would go select the social profiles that you've connected, click, click, click. You can do them all at once or one at a time, and then you'd click publish social post. But do go in and make a custom one. Y'all have literally like 3,500 of these to make free content with. Give me a call or reply to this email that I'm about to send if you have any questions. All right, man, thanks. Have a great one.